Don't shoot. Don't shoot. Still fight. Don't shoot. Don't shoot. Off the trigger. Off the trigger. Put it down.
No fire. Wait.
Okay.
Baja el pulgar, papi, que te va a
patear.
te vas a dar en el pulgar ahí.
Ahí no está abajo.
Ahora.
Put this in the ISO, yeah.
A ver si puedes ponerlo abajo. Así, mira.
Yeah, he has big hands.
Man
Okay.
Are we going to the rifle range? Well, why don't you save the big guy for the rifle range, the yellow dude?
It's alright, we can use those same ones.
They use the same bullet.
It's going to jerk a little bit, but don't, yeah, don't get scared. One, two, call one, then okay. You know, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Just grip it like this.
Okay.
Grip your hand like this. Never grip it like this because you'll break your wrist. Never look at it on the right side. It's going to eject. So it might eject into your shirt, so be careful. If it does, go like this. Don't go like this.